In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a quiz that your instructor has put online for you on the MyCourses system. So, first things first, what we're going to do is log into our course, and once we've done that, we can look for the quiz, which you can either find up here in this quizzes link here under course menu, or we can also see the actual quiz, the particular one here. So, once we see this icon here, that's a quiz icon, we can click on the link, which will bring us to the information page about the quiz. And here we have, in this box here, we have some information about the quiz. It's going to be a 20-minute time limit, and in this example, it'll count for 5% of our grade. Other information on here is the availability of the quiz. The 1st of December to the 24th, so Christmas Eve, 11:55 p.m. is when this quiz will close. So we have to be aware that we have to get this quiz started at the very latest 20 minutes prior to this closing date. As you can see here, 20-minute time limit, so that has to be done by 20 minutes prior to the actual quiz closing, because if that's not completed, the system will definitely take our answers, what we've got, it'll shut it down. So before we start it, one thing to mention is that you should really make sure that you have stable internet access before you start a quiz, because if you don't, the system can't really tell if your internet's if you're losing connectivity or not. So make sure that you're in a stable internet environment. You've got good access to the internet, and once you're ready, we can click on continue. In your case, it'll be start the quiz. And so what we have here is this would normally start counting down at 20 minutes because that's the time limit. In my case, this is I'm really resuming my quiz. So anyways, so here we have some questions. 3 in this example, multiple choice, and you can see the timer is following us around to make sure that we're aware of our time limit. And who invented the light bulb? We'll just click through these quickly. Okay, and so once we're done, we can click on Save without submitting. We can do that if we want far, but realistically, don't assume that this timer is going to pause and you can go to the washroom or 20 minutes. And so once you start the quiz, you only have 20 minutes. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. It's make sure that you're aware that it's 20 minutes from the start. Even this save without. And here we have the review page of our quiz, and so I managed to get 67% on this quiz, and so we can click on Finish Review. It also tells me how much time that I took for the quiz, and so I'll click Finish Review now. And that's taking a quiz on MyCourses.